Hello friends, one request, please subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon if you really wanna improve your Excel knowledge. This is the channel where you can get more than 200 videos, and now we are targeting to at least upload 300 videos till December. So if you're ready to improve your Excel, you are on right track. So today's formula is blank. Why this formula required? To find out is cell is blank or not. If you see, I mentioned some numbers, some text in date in column E, and I'm just finding out the cell is blank or not. So I mentioned one, hello India, goal, hi, and then I mentioned some date. Because I just want to show you guys this formula. Pick complete format. It means it doesn't matter if the cell contains number, text, or date. So it's like very basic, but to be very frank, this is very unique formula, because if you're working in a large database, it's not good to just filter and find out the blank cells. This is the best formula. If you're doing some kind of analysis or something, you just need to mention is blank, select that cell, just copy and paste the simple formula till end of your data, and you will get the result as true and false. Very basic but very helpful. If you know about this formula, then only you will be able to create your own compound formula. Use of formula. This formula helps to find out if there is any entry in a particular cell. As I already mentioned, any entry in particular cells, find out blank cells with result as true and false. Just want to mention that the result only comes as true or false. If there is nothing, result will be as true, but if there is any kind of text, number, or date, so then you'll get result as false. So this is use of formula. And formula meaning very simple, already mentioned number of times. Is blank means check cell is blank or not. So this is very basic formula meaning is blank. Maximum time I use this formula in my while preparing some kind of dashboard or something like that. Is any formatting required? No formatting is required, and this formula works in every single version of Excel. So you can use this formula. Just want to mention that means complete formula details is already available in description of this video, so you can copy and paste it for your future reference, and request you to please subscribe to this channel, because you'll get more and more formula details in coming days. There's already 200 videos, and now we are targeting to upload at least 300 till December. So all the best for your future. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day and have a great future. Thank you so much, guys.